Imagine a stunning text style, and you only have 15 minutes. Client wants high accent text
No.
and the deadline
No.
is in 15 minutes.
No. Oh, time. No.
Point by point, frame by frame. Calculation just to keep the gradient centered. I am losing my mind. Wait, why did it break? Staking effect is a nightmare. I'm a designer, not a debugger. Writing 15 lines of code just for a decent glow. And if the client wants to change the tag, I have to read everything. Manually rigging every single gradient, there must be a better way. Spending 20 minutes on match just to make it pop? Why is this so hard? I just wanted a glow. Calculus for a text layer? Really? Stop the manual labor. Stop the madness. Stop wasting hours. Start creating. One button for everything. One click, perfect result. High context in one click. There is a faster way. Meet KeraText. Native gradients, dynamic borders and per character control. Zero expressions. Pure creativity. KeraText handles the match. You handle the art. KeraText, the After Effects tool you've been waiting for.